Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you monthly forecast month of August 2020. All the predictions are based on your moon sign, but you can consider all these predictions according to your Lagna sign as well. So all these predictions are according to Vedic Indian astrology. Sun sign prediction have no relevance with this particular forecast whatsoever. You have to know about your moon sign or you have to know about your ascendant. Then you particularly follow this prediction according to that for all of you. Monthly forecast month of August 2020 for all of you. Going to talk about Cancer for the month of August. Transit of Venus for Cancer in 12th house. When the Venus is transiting in 12th house Cancer, you'll come across these kind of scenarios. Transit of Venus in 12th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting in 12th house from your moon sign, this particular time period gives you a mixed bag of positive and negative. On the one hand, you'll achieve financial gain. On the other hand, you'll achieve financial losses, but not a financial loss, just huge expenditure on luxuries or lifestyle, but with your own will. But that's not a financial loss. Venus in 12th house gives you expenditure, but that expenditure you'll do it with your own will. You'll travel around, you'll enjoy thoroughly. And may I say that beware of cheating, deception and fraud. But people can try to cheat you because they think that you'll have a lot of money. Venus transiting in 12th house will give you enjoyment. If you're unmarried, you'll enjoy thoroughly and you'll enjoy companionship. Friends will be very supportive to you, will give you a lot of cooperation, understanding. And beware of sharp weapons and doubtful people. If you're involved in any project and you're taking extra care, beware of any cheating, deception, fraud and financial losses or something valuable can be lost. Transit of Mercury in 1st house, 2nd August till 17th August. Cancer, when the Mercury transiting in 1st house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. When the Mercury is transiting in 1st house from your moon sign, the Mercury is transiting in 1st house, during this particular phase of period, you'll move. When the Mercury is transiting in 1st house, this may bring in some negative results. When the Mercury is transiting in 1st house, this is supposed to bring in some situation where you have to serve someone unwillingly, against your will. When the Mercury is transiting in your 1st house from your moon sign, in your moon Lagna, then this particular time period, you have to serve someone unwillingly. When the Mercury is transiting in your 1st house, you're also susceptible to face oppression of some kind. When the Mercury is transiting in 1st house, take care of yourself. And may I say that sometimes people can be unsympathetic toward you. Sometimes people will not be very coordinated with you. Sometimes people can take advantage of your situation. Sometimes people can harm you or backstab you or take advantage of your situation. When the Mercury is transiting in your 1st house from your moon sign, when transiting in your moon sign, keeping a low profile, doing your task best to your ability should be the focus at that particular time. When the Mercury is transiting in 1st house, when the Mercury is transiting in 1st house, you may also have to watch out for any unnecessary expenditure. This will also causing you unnecessary financial burden on you. Be cautious with your spending and pay attention to the safety of your finances. When the Mercury is transiting in your 1st house, you also likely to be friends with some bad people or bad personality who may harm you. Watch your word of speech when you're dealing with nearest and dearest one. When the Mercury is transiting in your 1st house, your insensitivity may create a lot of unnecessary enemies within your own circle. Avoid any kind of lawsuit or bad company and be careful not to do anything that make you lose your self-worth. When the Mercury is transiting in your 1st house from your moon sign, means when the Mercury is transiting in your moon sign, you'd also need some sort of a good fortune, so save it. Take advantage of your education, knowledge, ability, skill set to avoid any glitches in your life. Be flexible with this particular period. With the Mercury is transiting in your 1st house, you have to take care of your last minute changes in your plans to upgrade yourself. You have to make a lot of changes in your project, your ideas, due to pressure from a lot of different quarters, due to some anticipated fear. When the Mercury is transiting in your 1st house, you become more aware of the reality of the situation And when the Mercury is transiting in your first house, you have to exercise your common sense and applied wisdom. Obstruction may crop up related to your residence, related to your traveling, related to your business, profession, career, job. You may also find obstacle in performing any auspicious work at this particular phase of scenario when the Mercury is transiting in your first house. Take care of your family relationship and take care of yourself. And you become susceptible to a lot of cheating, deception, fraud when Mercury is transiting in your first house. Avoid travel if possible. You may not get the desired result as expected. Transit of Mercury in the first house can be tricky. So stand by. Exercise your applied wisdom. Exercise your common sense. You'll be fine. Transit of Mars in 10th house. 16th August 2020 till 4th October 2020. When the Mars is transiting in 10th house Cancer, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 10th house from your moon sign. When the Mars is transiting 10th house from your moon sign, they signify a ruffled path to success. You're likely to face a lot of trouble ranging from misbehavior of your superior, failure in your affects, sorrows, disappointment, exhaustion of things. You're likely to meet a lot of success in your field of work at end. When the Mars is transiting in 10th house, some of you would be able to perform better than ever at work. You have to taking care of yourself, hoping around about places. Your work is likely to be demand and you will achieve more and more. This period also likely to bestow a rise in prestige, position, authority at workplace. You're likely to get scripted in your good books of your superior and enlarge your circle of good friends, professional friends. Your glory is likely to be bringing more new friends, professional friends in your life. Health, however, would require your attention. Keep a note what you're eating. Keep up your mental health as well. Some of you also feel relieved of your worries and tensions, and you will win over your enemies. However, never underestimate your enemies and stay away from weapons. Stay away from foul company, please. Transit of Sun in 2nd house, 16th August 2020 till 16th September 2020. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 2nd house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house from your moon sign, is proved to be financially full of challenges for you. This particular period portends absence of expected result or profit in trade or decline in wealth or flow of income. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house from moon sign, if you're dealing land, property, car trading, or finances, this period brings some setbacks. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house from your moon sign, when you are more susceptible to fear than usual, you feel at risk being cheated or experience anxiety for no apparent reason at all. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house, as a result, you find it difficult to handle ordinary affair of your life as smoothly you would otherwise do. You find yourself not so happy and getting irritated very easily, even at your nearest and dearest one. You feel less compassionate and flexible than usual. If you're susceptible to headache or problem with your eyes, it's a time where the symptom may surface. You have to taking extra care of yourself. Transit of Mercury in 2nd house, 17th August till 2nd September. When the Mercury transiting in 2nd house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. So transit of Mercury in 2nd house from your moon sign. Transit of Mercury in 2nd house from your moon sign. This time period, during this particular phase of period when the Mercury is transiting in 2nd house from your moon sign, and may I say that this particular signifies financial gain, growth of income, especially if you are dealing with precious stones, jewelry, if you are a professional banker, if you are a financial consultant, if you're a chartered accountant. When the Mercury is transiting in your 2nd house, if you're an IT consultant, you'll make a lot of money through your knowledgeability and skill set. If you're a professional banker, if you're a chartered accountant, if you're working in a financial sector, if you're a salesman, you'll make closing a lot of deals. When the Mercury is transiting in 2nd house, and this particular period also bringing happiness to you in the form of success in your learning and attaining your knowledgeability and skill set. With your knowledgeability and skill set, you will achieve your rising. And this time period bring a company of good people who give you opportunity to achieve dignified status, prestige and honor. And this particular period when the Mercury is transiting in 2nd house, you have some sort of a, may I say that, this time period you have to be very control of your finances regarding your flow of income. You have to be watch your dealing with people, mingling people. This particular period, may I say that you have to be extra cautious and careful when you're dealing or making any financial deal. And don't blind faith on anybody when it comes to dealing with anybody, whether you're dear friend or stranger. Don't blind faith on anybody. Be careful. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.